How are varves formed? Have you ever wondered how scientists can tell the age of sediment layers in lakes? One fascinating method involves something called varves. So, how are varves formed? Let's break it down. Varves are thin layers of sediment that accumulate in bodies of water, particularly in lakes. Each pair of layers, known as a couplet, represents 1 year of sediment accumulation. This process is influenced by seasonal changes in the environment. During the warmer months, typically summer, there is a surge in biological activity in the water. Tiny organisms like phytoplankton thrive, and when they die, their remains sink to the bottom. This creates a light-colored layer rich in silica or calcium carbonate. This layer is often fine-grained, reflecting the calm and productive conditions of summer. As the seasons change and colder months approach, melting snow and ice increase water flow into the lake. This influx brings organic material and fine sediment from the surrounding land. These materials settle out as a darker, coarser layer on top of the summer sediment. The result is a distinct pair of light and dark layers for each year. For varves to form clearly, the water must remain calm. If there are waves or burrowing animals, the layers can get disturbed. This calm environment is usually found in deep, quiet lakes where the bottom waters lack oxygen. This lack of oxygen prevents most organisms from living there and mixing up the sediment. Archaeologists use varve dating to determine the age of sediment layers found at excavation sites. By counting the number of varve couplets, they can estimate how many years are represented in a sediment sequence. This technique is particularly useful for dating ancient lake beds or glacial deposits. It provides a precise timeline for environmental changes and human activity in the past. When archaeologists find varved sediments at a site, they analyze the layers to reconstruct past climates, track changes in water levels, or date artifacts found within or near the sediment. Varve dating offers a direct year-by-year record of environmental history. This helps archaeologists place human events in a precise chronological context. So next time you think about how scientists date sediment layers, remember the fascinating process of varve formation.